Seeing Jesus in Toast, a neuroscience perspective on PBS. Hi, I'm Alani Hoffer with PBS News. Tonight, our story is Seeing Jesus in Toast, a phenomenon that is perfectly normal. Researchers have found that the phenomenon of face pareidolia, where onlookers report seeing images of Jesus, Virgin Mary, or even Elvis in objects such as toast and clouds, is normal and based on physical causes. Most people think that you have to be mentally abnormal to see these types of images, so individuals reporting this phenomenon are often ridiculed. A lead researcher, Professor Kang Lee of the University of Toronto's Eric Jackman Institute of Child Study, says, "But our findings suggest that it is common for people to see non-existent features because human brains are uniquely wired to recognize faces, so that even when there's only a slight suggestion of facial features, the brain automatically interprets it as a face." They discovered that face pareidolia isn't due to a brain anomaly or imagination, but is caused by the combined work of the frontal cortex, which helps to generate expectations and send signals to the posterior visual cortex and to enhance and interpret stimuli from the outside world. As you can see in this photo, the frontal lobe is responsible for executing functions such as thinking, planning, organizing, and problem-solving, emotions, as well as behavioral control and personality. The parietal lobe is also responsible for perception, making sense of the world, arithmetic, and spelling. Together, the frontal lobe and the parietal lobe contribute to this phenomenon known as face pareidolia. Participants were shown pure noise images that were led to believe that 50% of them contained either faces or letters. They reported seeing faces in about 34 to 38% of these cases. The frontal cortex is especially important for planning appropriate behavioral responses to external and internal stimuli. It functions a close association with other regions of the brain that make up the cerebral systems specifically designed for individual mental tasks. It participates with other brain regions in aspects of learning and memory, attention and motivation, and in part a central role in our working memory. Seeing Jesus in Toast reflects our brain's normal functioning and the active role that the frontal cortex plays in our visual perception. Instead of the phrase, "seeing is believing," the results suggest that believing is seeing. I'm Alani Hoffer with PBS News.